Hi, my name is Ray Kelly with Minuteman and Automation Systems. Today we're going to take a look at IAI's EC Actuator product line. As a general product overview, just want to walk through different options that are available. The device acts as a solenoid, so it kind of goes on or off, right? Extend or retract, similar to a pneumatic actuator. The motor is integrated and is batteryless absolute encoder, so you don't have to rehome the device if power is lost. It has a built-in controller or a pendant or a PC if you want to use your laptop to adjust the settings. So the settings that are adjustable are your acceleration, your deceleration, and velocity. This is going to replace your pneumatic actuators either on a new build or on an existing build, and it's going to eliminate that air consumption and it'll allow you to have precise control over your motion properties as opposed to having to rely on a flow control or external peripheral devices. So different types are available. There's a slider type, there's a rod type, there's a table type, there's some specialties for like extra compact or grippers. You can even get a rotary device. And depending on which device you select, you can get a short stroke of 10 millimeters or go as long as 2.8 meters. If you're mounted horizontally, you can go up to 400 kilograms. If you're mounted vertically, you can get up to 150 kilograms. So that gives you a nice range of capacity. Other options available are side-mounted motor. That's going to help keep the overall actuator length compact. You can get this normally with 2 positions, but you can also get it with 3 positions. If you needed more than that, we can look at the different product line RCP6. But going back to the EC series, we have the ability to get this also with dust-proof, splash-proof, or even clean room, depending on your environmental needs. As for the teach pendant, you can see the full-size teach pendant on this side. You can get a wired small version controller like the one that's here, or you can get a wireless version if you want that connectivity option. So let me just walk through what we have on the table. So as I mentioned earlier, this is a rod size cylinder with no built-in controller. So this is going to limit the ability for someone to change the properties of the system on the floor, but you do get a programming port on the back side to use with that pendant. Back here, you'll see we have a slide type. So here's our table slide moving back and forth with a built-in actuator and still has the programming port. Both these devices run for 24 volts DC, so you're going to connect this right back to a power supply and you can trigger them either way just like you do a pneumatic valve. I'm going to step over to this unit to give you a demonstration of the teach pendant and controller. This teach pendant comes with a little stylus that makes it very precise to touch a screen. Just to go back to the home screen, you can see here that we have various menu options to look at monitor, simple data settings, parameter edit, doing test runs. Right now we're going to look at simple data settings. So you can see there's 2 options here because this cylinder has 2 positions. We can adjust the acceleration, the velocity, and the deceleration. We can adjust the position quickly by just adjusting the values here. And same thing goes for the other side. We can even do a quick test manually. So if I want to move this unit to one side, I can just press that arrow key. If I want to move it back, move the other side. So as seen there, our properties are too fast for the ball. So what I'm going to do there is change our decel parameter from 50 to 10. So this is going to allow us to move this unit back and forth without having that ball eject off the slide there. So that vast difference in one parameter is allowing us to have a smooth operation back and forth. The cylinder also does report that it has reached the end position or the starting position back to your control system to make sure that you're executing your overall system control smoothly. That wraps up our overview of IAI's EC actuator. If you have any questions about electric actuators or motion control, please reach out to Minuteman Empire Automation Systems using our contact information below. Thank you.